In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the security settings in your Sylo Smart Wallet. From the Profile section, select Settings. Here, you can go ahead and select Security Settings. This is where you can change the PIN on your Sylo Smart Wallet. Simply enter your old PIN, then enter a new PIN. Confirm the new PIN, and it's now been set for you. Also in the security settings, you can change your auto lock timer. It's automatically set to 5 minutes. You can change to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, which will be if your phone is inactive for a certain period of time. We advise you to leave it on 5 minutes, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. Here, you can select to authenticate when your app starts. This means you'll be asked for a PIN or your Face ID or thumbprint as soon as you open Sylo. And you can enable your Face ID or your thumbprint from here as well.